Hi guys, Michael Weldon here. It's great to be back showing you what I've been cooking for dinner, or in this case, dessert. We're gonna make a lovely poached rhubarb and poached apple to go on top of some of this beautiful Farm to Pot Giana honey yogurt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hang it and turn it into a sweet labneh. To do this, it's super simple. All you need is a sieve over a bowl and then some chucks cloth or some cheesecloth just to line that sieve with. And then all I do is get a whole tub, this beautiful Giana Farm to Pot yogurt. It's got that lovely honey flavour. We don't need to add any sugar to this because it's super sweet and delicious from that natural honey. And just pull the sides together. We're going to put this into our fridge overnight. So start this one the day before and it's ready for the next day. And then you'll get something that looks a little bit like this. More of the whey will come off the yogurt, and that's as simple as it is. So that's the first step done. Now we're going to make a few little things to complement that. The first of those things is some poached rhubarb, and it goes so well with creamy, rich yogurt. So all we're going to do is just dice it up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to add in to a pot, and to that we're going to add a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up, a good squeeze of lemon juice, just maybe half a lemon, and finally we've got a little vanilla bean, and you just want enough water to cover the base of your pot. And then this goes on to a medium heat to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until the rhubarb breaks up. So I've just got some apples I've cored, so 1 tablespoon of sugar, a couple of rosemary sprigs, and then instead of lemon, just a little splash of apple cider vinegar. And again, just enough water to cover the bottom of our pot. So you're looking at about 10 minutes till they're nice. Now what we're going to do is a really fast and loose version of a caramel. So all I'm going to do is let the sugar melt. Then all I'm going to do is add in my nuts, and I'm just going to turn them through our pan. Caramel coated cashews and macadamias. Our caramel's cooled down so it's nice and hard so we can plate up. And there we have it, my beautiful sweet labneh made with that lovely Farm to Pot organic honey flavoured yogurt from Giana. That lovely poached rhubarb and apple on top. That's what I'm cooking at my house for dessert tonight. You should cook it too. Thank you for watching and happy eating.